guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Good morning. As promised, I always give you guys an update on my ammo acquisitions. This ammo acquisition is very unique in one way. How did I get it? I didn't pay a dime for it, okay? As you guys saw from a previous episode, my main channel, Mowers and Blowers, I fix small engine equipment. That's my main channel with about 11,000 subscribers. I only did this gun channel because I'm a gun enthusiast. And so if I'm able to make videos for people to watch, I'm happy to do it. Hey, I'm going to unbox this anyway. Why not put it on video and show you guys what I got? Remember, I'm a New Yorker. So here in New York, we've got tons of rules. But one of the good rules that we have is non-existent. It's buying ammunition without any paperwork or any ammo ID card, such as New Jersey, Connecticut. You can't just go and buy ammo, man. You got to go show documentation before you can buy ammo. You know what I mean? Here in New York, any nut can go into a store with ammo and buy it over the counter like a bag of chips. Anyway, in my previous episode, I fixed 2 snowblowers that I usually list and sell locally. But my buddy Gary over at my Instagram chat group, whom I met, I actually went with him to Calverton shooting range for my 7th trip to sight in a couple of scopes yesterday. You guys can watch the video. Check it out. Anyway, so part of the deal was I would deliver 2 working dual-stage snowblowers, which I probably could have gotten about $800 for. But like I said in my previous video, Gary's my friend now, and so he's my buddy, and we've broken bread together. We went to have some burgers after the shooting range. We had a good day sighting in our scopes. The Monstrum Prism Scope, the Marksman, and the Raven models both were on the video. If you guys are interested in a 3x Prism Scope, similar to an ACOG, but of course, much more economical. You can check out the link in the description for Monstrum Tactical. They've got all kinds of parts for guns and scopes, flashlights, bags, gear, all that stuff. Really cool. Go check it out. Very affordable prices. And, you know, for a somewhat newbie gun enthusiast, it's pretty good quality. So, instead of $800 cash, my friend Gary, I made him a deal. He basically got me 1,200 rounds of South Korean-made PMC 223 55 grain rounds. And here it is. Is that beautiful or what? This is 50 boxes of 20 PMC brass. I've shot this before. I've bought a case myself before. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's literally like gold.
That's gold, Jerry. Gold.
I'll open up a box for you guys to see the quality. Oh, son of a gun. Oh, the good part of this stuff is that it's so smooth. I don't know what kind of coating or polishing they've done to this, but it's so smooth, and you're not going to have any cycling issues with this. Sometimes you guys have seen in my Calverton shooting videos that sometimes I have some cycling issues, but I'm mostly shooting the cheap Tula ammo and Wolf 223 steel case. And sometimes it's not as smooth, so the getting it on the feed ramps, whatever, isn't always so consistent. Plus, I think my buffer might be too light and my bolt is going too fast, you know what I mean? So I'm going to try an H2 buffer next time I shoot my AR. That ought to fix the problem. But either way, when I shot brass in my AR, I have absolutely no problems. So this is my good shit right here. I mean, this is some good stuff. Really good. And if you guys would read the reviews on PMC, they're all very good reviews. Don't take my word for it, man. Everybody else says that PMC is very good. So there you go. 50 boxes of 20. Fantastic deal on this ammo. I had bought this a long time ago before on my own, 1,000 rounds a case. And it was like $519 or something like that. Free shipping, no tax. I got that from, I believe, Prepper Gun Shop. Anyway, so this is from Tactical Shit. And Gary really got a good deal on this too. I think he paid $4.59, free shipping, no tax. $4.59, shipped to his door in Suffolk County, New York. No paperwork, nothing. Well, I guess somebody has his address, right? And invoice of buying this, but, you know. This is a great deal. Gary got a great deal. He probably saved $300 on the combination of the two snowblowers. If you guys would like to check out Tactical Shit, check the link in the description for Tactical Shit ammo and accessories. They also have firearms and all kinds of stuff. Just browse it. Use my link because I get a couple of bucks if you buy anything. And same goes for that Monstrum Tactical. Also yesterday at the 7th trip to Calverton, I also cited in my Sniper brand FFP, first focal plane, low-powered variable optic also. And that works fantastic too. That goes for like $268 on Texas Precision Optics. I also have a link in the description for Texas Precision Optics if you guys would like to check out some Sniper brand scopes. Monstrum, Tactical Shit, and Texas Precision Optics. Click those links, get those Christmas presents ready, and it might be too late already, but hey, $459 for 223, man, brass. 45 cents a round for brass. Never gonna beat that, and you're never gonna beat 31 cents for Tula ammo steel case. That's a deal. 31 cents a round for a dude in New York. That's not bad. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's unboxing of my PMC 223 55 grain brass ammunition, given to me by my friend Gary for 2 snowblowers. What a trade, huh? See you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.